4.3, Ordinary Audit and Risk Committee meeting held on the 30th of October 2017.
Mr. Chairman.
Councillor Body.
On page 30, under 4.1, Drinking Water Review, Havelock North, the comment was made that the committee asked the Chief Executive to arrange appropriate communication to clarify obligations in this area, and that was, I think, raised by Councillor Park to deal with backflows on private water schemes. What was the outcome of that?
So through the chair, that communication has gone out as of yet just due to other priorities, but it's still not formal.
Because I believe that we don't have any control over private water schemes, but of interest to get the answer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any other questions of order the Risk Committee meeting? Members? No? Very good. Okay, could I have a mover, please? Thank you, Councillor Dollins. And I'm happy to see Councillor Hickman is there, yeah. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carry.